Today we are going to learn the verb lagna in Urdu and Hindi. Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Assalamu alaikum, खुश आमदीद मेरे चैनल पे। और मुझे यकीन है ये चैनल आपके लिए बहुत फ़ायदेमंद साबित होगा, क्योंकि मैं इसमें उर्दू पढ़ाती हूँ, मूवी से, ड्रामा से, कहानियों से, अदब से और क़वाइद से। तो अगर आप उर्दू सीख रहे हैं या हिंदी सीख रहे हैं तो ये चैनल आपके लिए बहुत फ़ायदेमंद होगा, तो ये चैनल ज़रूर देखिए। Today we are going to learn the verb lagna, its idiomatic expressions, which means that the subject will get a postposition ko. I've made other videos on lagna. To check them out, you can go to the description box. If you watch Bollywood movies or Pakistani dramas, you might have heard lagna. It's a very common verb and it is used in all the Bollywood songs. So here we're going to learn lagna for expressing sensations, like for example, I'm hungry, I am scared, or I feel thirst, or I'm thirsty. So the verb is bhook lagna, which is to feel the hunger. Bhook is hunger, lagna is to feel. Bhook lagna is to feel hungry. Bhook is feminine, therefore it's always going to be declining in a feminine ending, lag rahi or lagi or whatever. So for example, if you're saying I'm feeling hungry, the subject will be marked with ko. So for example, muj is the oblique form of main, which means when main comes before ko, it changes into muj. So mujhko or mujhe, both of them have the same meaning. मुझे भूख लग रही है, मुझे भूख लग रही है, I am feeling hungry, मुझे भूख लग रही है, मुझे भूख लग रही है, I am feeling the hunger. Hunger is felt by me. Another verb that we can learn is pyas lagna, which is to feel the thirst or to feel thirsty. उसको प्यास लग रही है, उसको प्यास लग रही है. Thirst is felt by him or her. उसको प्यास लग रही है. Right? Both of them were feminine, therefore it's feminine ending. You can also say मुझे डर लग रहा है. डर लगना is to feel scared, to feel afraid. मुझे डर लग रहा है. मुझे डर लग रहा है क्योंकि मैं डरावनी मूवी देख रही हूँ. I am watching a scary movie. Again, all of these lessons are catering to beginner and elementary level students. To have sample sentences which are more advanced or intermediate level, you can reach out on Patreon. You can become a patron and I'll send you a PDF version of complex sentences every single week. Let's say I'm feeling spice. Mirche lagna is to feel spicy, or if you eat something spicy, you'll say मुझे मिर्चें लग रही हैं, मुझे मिर्चें लग रही हैं. I'm feeling the spice, I'm feeling it's like it's very hot. मुझे मिर्चें लग रही हैं, मुझे मिर्चें लग रही हैं. मिर्चें is feminine, therefore you say लग रही हैं. If you eat Pakistani or Indian food, you need this sentence. मुझे शदीद मिर्चें लग रही हैं. शदीद means a lot, like extreme. मुझे शदीद मिर्चें लग रही हैं, मुझे शदीद मिर्चें लग रही हैं. I hope you understand lagna a little better. If you have any question or confusion, leave a comment down below. I will read it. Have a really lovely day and Khuda Hafiz.